Yeah, the storms do continue across the Tennessee Valley into the Ohio Valley right now as we go throughout the rest of our Thursday night. Some heavy showers across Ohio down through Kentucky at this point. More severe weather expected tomorrow for parts of the mid-Mississippi Valley and the lower Mississippi Valley, including Arkansas tomorrow. That's where the worst of it is expected tomorrow into Texas, parts of Oklahoma, even northern Louisiana, parts of Mississippi and into parts of the Midwest tomorrow. There's actually a risk for severe weather for our part of the Deep South going into this weekend. We'll have some strong storms for us going into early Sunday. Now, the rest of tonight, tomorrow, Saturday will be looking good, dry, but warm and muggy. Temperatures currently in the upper 70s and even 80 degrees at the New Orleans International Airport at this hour. So it is going to be very warm and very muggy the rest of tonight into tomorrow. It has been windy all day today. It is still windy now. Current wind speeds are around 15 miles per hour sustained, 14 to 17 mile per hour sustained winds with gusts above 25 miles per hour. We've got a 30 mile per hour gusts at the Lakefront Airport now. So we'll stay breezy overnight. More windy weather expected tomorrow. Mostly cloudy skies taking us into Friday morning with temperatures in the upper 70s, both sides of the lake early tomorrow morning. Tomorrow will be hot, humid, and mostly cloudy with a little sunshine. 84 degrees tomorrow. Still windy again with this pattern still in place. Tomorrow our winds continue from the south-southeast, 10 to 15 miles per hour. We'll probably see gusts though up to 25, 35 miles per hour. So still similar pattern, gusty winds tomorrow. And with the persistent onshore flow tomorrow into Saturday, still going to see some minor coastal flooding during the high tides in the late afternoon and evening tomorrow and Saturday. But Sunday things improve because a cold front moves in and gives us the storms and changes up our wind pattern. So right now the country is divided. We have an upper trough in the western part of the U.S. We have a ridge over Florida and the eastern Gulf. In the middle we've got the severe weather, and as this trough moves east in the coming days, it will send us that front later this weekend, and we've got the warmth and moisture out ahead of it. So our rain chances go way up for Sunday. Weather impact alert for early Sunday because of the risk of strong storms and heavy rain. Now tomorrow and Friday will trend mostly dry. There could be a sprinkle, maybe a stray shower tomorrow or Saturday, and that's really about it. We fast forward into Saturday, mostly cloudy, windy, a little sunshine, maybe a shower or two on Saturday, but looking pretty good tomorrow and Saturday, especially if you like the warm weather. But it is going away. Actually, cooler weather will come in behind this front. The front looks to bring us the storms early in the day Sunday. This is the morning hours between 7 and 8 a.m. Here's a line of strong storms moving into the mid-morning, into the late morning, 10 a.m. Still dealing with some heavy rain and strong storms all morning long on Sunday and maybe into the early part of the afternoon. But make sure you check back in to get the exact timing on that since we're still just a couple days away. Here's that severe weather risk for Saturday into early Sunday. It's a little bit more elevated farther to the north and northern Louisiana, parts of Arkansas and western Mississippi. But our area, southeast Louisiana, South Mississippi, included in the slight risk, level 2 out of 5 for early Sunday. As that line pushes in, we'll be watching for damaging winds. That'll be the biggest thing. Also frequent lightning, heavy rain, maybe some hail as well. Can't rule out an isolated tornado risk with that, but the biggest thing will be the winds, kind of like what we saw last week with the strong winds and the lightning, same kind of thing coming in with the front. And behind the front, actually, we'll see temperatures dropping. So next week, a completely different story. It will be really beautiful. 60s in the afternoon Monday, low 70s the rest of the week, low humidity, plenty of sunshine, and actually seeing some chilly nights and mornings to get a little bit more of a refreshing feel coming our way next week.